Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical water carafe, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from water carafe, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water carafe from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MAYU Swirl Structured Water Carafe, Innovative Vortex Technology, Hand-Blown Pitcher. Discover the best water carafe for health-conscious hydration with the MAYU Swirl Structured Water Carafe, a hand-blown glass pitcher that uses innovative Vortex technology to enhance your water's quality and taste. Designed with a blend of borosilicate glass, porcelain, stainless steel, and silicone, this elegant 1.5-liter carafe naturally oxygenates and restructures filtered or RO water by simulating the movement of natural spring water. The result? Balanced alkalinity, improved texture, and better hydration with every sip. Not just functional, the MAYU Swirl is a stylish centerpiece, perfect for home kitchens, office desks, or as a meaningful gift that promotes wellness. The durable materials and seamless pour design make it practical and long-lasting, while the beautiful earth-based color adds a touch of nature to your space. Click play to see why this is the best water carafe to elevate your hydration routine with sophistication and science. Make every glass of water a fresh and revitalizing experience. Number 2. Gejoy 24 Q's Plastic Water Carafe with Lids, 32 OZ Clear, Juice Pitchers for Mimosa bar, drinks, milk, iced tea, beverage, containers. Looking for the best water carafe set for parties, events, or everyday use? The Gejoy 24 PC's Plastic Water Carafe with Lids is the ultimate choice for anyone who values convenience, versatility, and style. Each lightweight, reusable 32 Oz pitcher is made from safe, shatterproof plastic and designed with a narrow neck for easy grip. The white caps fit tightly to prevent spills and keep drinks fresh, while a leak-proof flap ensures no mess when pouring. Perfect for a mimosa bar, brunch setup, or family gathering, these carafes are ideal for iced tea, lemonade, juice, milk, cold brew, cocktails, or even toiletries like shampoo and soap. Measuring 10 inches tall, they fit neatly in your fridge door or countertop. With 24 pitchers in one pack, this set is perfect for hosting or catering events. Watch now to see why these are the best water carafes for function, value, and multi-purpose use. Number 3. Tessco For You 12 pieces plastic pitcher 60-ounce clear restaurant pitcher jug large water jug carafe. Looking for the best water carafe set for parties, restaurants, or large gatherings? Check out the Tessco For You 12 pieces plastic pitchers, durable, lightweight, and designed for convenience. Each 60 Oz or 1,800 ml pitcher is crafted from thick, reliable plastic that's reusable, washable, and built to last. With a clear, elegant design and a comfortable handle, these pitchers are perfect for serving water, juice, cocktails, milk, iced tea, beer, and more. Measuring approximately 5.1 into 8 inches, they offer a generous capacity without taking up too much space, making them great for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're hosting a wedding, picnic, bridal shower, or banquet, these stylish pitchers will help you serve with ease and sophistication. With 12 pitchers in one set, you'll always have enough for your guests. Watch now to see why these are the best water carafes for any occasion. Affordable, functional, and perfect for every celebration. Number 4. AIL Flip-Top Glass Bottle Swing Brewing with Stopper for Beverages, Oil, Water, Soda, Kefir Airtight Lid, and Leak-Proof Cap Clear. Upgrade your beverage storage with the AYL Flip-Top Glass Bottle, the best water carafe alternative for storing and serving drinks with style and reliability. Made from thick, durable glass, this 33.81 Oz bottle features a leak-proof, airtight cap that locks in freshness and prevents spills, perfect for preserving carbonation and fermentation in sodas, kefir, kombucha, and more. The stainless steel swing top and premium polypropylene stopper offer long-lasting performance with excellent corrosion resistance. Whether you're storing water, oil, juice, syrups, or homemade brews, this bottle's sleek, clear design adds a touch of class to your kitchen, table, or event. Eco-friendly and reusable, it's a smart choice for cutting down on plastic waste. Ideal for daily use or special occasions, the AIYL bottle delivers both function and sustainability. Watch now to see why this is one of the best flip-top glass carafes for every household. Elegant, practical, and backed by a no-hassle money-back guarantee. Number 5. JoyJolt Glass Carafe with Lid, set of 3. Mimosa glass pitcher for mimosa bar water, iced tea, juice, drink dispensers for parties. Add elegance and functionality to your gatherings with the JoyJolt Glass Carafe set, a 3-piece, 1-liter, glass pitcher collection designed for everything from water and iced tea to juice and mimosa bars. Perfect for parties, brunches, or everyday use, each carafe comes with a BPA-free lid plus 3 extras, so you'll never worry about lost lids again. These sleek pitchers are crafted from thick, durable glass with a comfortable grip and a tapered neck for easy pouring. At 11 inches tall, they fit perfectly in most refrigerators and are wide enough, 2.5 inches, to accommodate large ice cubes or whiskey stones for chilled drinks that stay refreshing. With black and white lids included, you can match your drinkware to your decor. Ideal for weddings, bridal showers, and baby showers. Dishwasher safe, lids hand wash, beautifully packaged and drop-tested for safe delivery, this set is a must-have hosting essential. Watch now to see why JoyJolt makes some of the best glass carafes for any celebration. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.